Hi, I'm DJ at Fire Station 12. Doing a little 4th of July cooking for you guys. Gonna be doing some herbal chicken burgers and some chicken baked beans. Hope you guys like it. Chopping up some fresh zucchini to go in the herbal chicken burgers. Next, we're gonna chop some fresh cilantro. Next step, we're chopping up some fresh peppers. Have green onions, lemongrass, red and yellow peppers. We have thyme, fresh oregano, parsley, lemon, and fresh garlic. We have our chicken burgers, our herbal chicken burgers. First, we're gonna use an egg, 1 egg, breadcrumbs. We're gonna go with the cilantro, green onion, fresh zucchini, Trinity peppers for flavor. A little Winston-Salem Texas Pete. It ain't complete without the Texas Pete. You put a little hand power to it, mix it up, and it all marries together. You see it's very colorful. So you're just making your patties. Make sure you always oil your grill. That's very vital to have a lot of, moisture on the grill so that it don't dry out, because you want the burgers to be moist. All right, now we're going to check the temperature of them. It should be at least 160. This is your baked beans you can have on the side. This is like a herbal baked beans also, but with chicken, ground chicken. And the baked beans in the oven. The herbal chicken baked beans in the oven. You want to put it there. Presentation is everything. Put it on top of bed of your herbs. Remove this. Take one. Thank you, sir.